So taking the derivative of each term, so notice that I changed my cube root into 1/3, sorry, 1/3, so that I could apply the chain rule later on in taking the derivative of this term. So derivative of x is simply 1 plus the derivative of y squared is 2y dy dx equal to chain rule, so 1/3 xy, and we know that 1/3 minus 1, which is 3/3, is simply -2/3. So this is -2/3 for our exponent, multiplied by the derivative of xy. And in this case, we'll use the product rule to find the derivative of xy. So let's simplify our function. So we'll have 1 plus 2y. Let's use y prime, so that we'll have a shorter equation right here. 1/3 xy to the -2/3 multiplied by the derivative of this term right here. So derivative of first, copy, plus copy, derivative of y, which is dy dx. And this is now my product rule. So what I'm going to do is to distribute this term right here to x dy dx and to my y. So my equation will be changed into distribute this here, so we have y 1/3 xy -2/3, and distribute this to the other side right here, which is x times 1/3 times xy -2/3 times dy dx. Alright, so now that I have separated all my terms, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. I know that I'm going to be grouping this and this on this side of the equation, and my plan is to get rid of 1 right here and put it on the other side of my equation. So my dy dx will be here, so by subtracting this term on both sides, I'll have 2y y prime minus x times 1/3 xy -2/3 y prime. Notice that I changed my dy dx to y prime, and then minus 1 over here, so I'll have y times 1/3 xy -2/3 minus 1. Now all I need to do is to factor out my y prime, so I will end up with 2y minus this whole term right here, which is x 1/3 xy to the -2/3, and this one will have y prime as their common term or common factor, equal to, this one is y 1/3 xy to the -2/3 minus 1. So all I need to do is to isolate y prime by dividing it by this term right here. I know it's quite large, but there's nothing else we could do about it, because it's still going to be a huge solution even if we change this into radical. So let's just leave it as fractional exponent. So our y prime is simply y times 1/3 xy to the negative 2/3 minus 1 all over 2y minus x times 1/3 x y to the negative 2/3, which is also our dy dx. And this is how we take the derivative of x plus y squared equal to the cube root of xy using implicit differentiation.